Hi class, Assalamualaikum. Very good afternoon. Okay, today we continue our lab with the chapter 9, contract, the payment schedule. Uh, so by the end of this section, you should be able to define project deliverable and map to the payment schedule. Yeah? And then after this video, you also can define and estimate percentage of payment claim for each deliverable and produce payment schedule. So implement the project schedule is very important, and then but the most important thing is that uh, your project schedule can get the payment for each of the deliverable. So what is the payment schedule? So the payment schedule is a project manager responsibilities that he or she need to ensure that the project will not lose profit, yeah, and the project cost is within a specified budget. Let's say your project cost is 1 million, so you make sure that you will collect from the customer in the same amount, 1 million. So project is executed in many ways. In the context of the software development project, a project could be categorized as a turnkey project, or time and material, or fixed price per unit project, or BOO. We call it build, operate, and own project. So all this require progress schedule plan where several deliverables will be defined and proposed. So in this lab, I will show you how to construct the payment schedule. And the payment schedule is a software project define the date at which payment are made. Yeah, payment schedule means you schedule the payment that the customer have to pay to you after you complete every deliverable that you deliver to the customer. So the point here is how to develop the payment schedule. So very easy and very straightforward way is to call back, refer back to your project schedule. Okay, I will show you later. So why this payment schedule is very important. So payment schedule is important for collecting a progress payment on job done. Yeah, after you finish your task or activity for every phases, so you need to claim, yeah, the progress payment from the customer, because you need you need to pay your staff salary. You need to pay your overhead, office overhead, such as telephone bill, electricity bill, water bill, yeah, all the license that you engage with the supplier and so on. So without payment schedule, the company may not able to plan its financial flow effectively. Yeah, this will lead to the bad cash flow and financial status. So for example, the payment collection may be used for paying out the salary bill, like I said. And the payment collection is also one of the motivation for the company and staff to continue their effort in ensuring the project to be succeed. Okay, without always heard that without money we cannot do anything. Yeah, no money, no talk. So this is a word, yeah, always given by the vendor. So because they already use their money to buy the hardware, for example, to your company, and then of course they have to get the money back to pay to the sole supplier, sole distributor, for example, because this involve money. Some of the company or supplier, they use a credit, so within 7 days, so they have to clear the credit for certain hardware they bought for your projects. So if you late pay them, then they will got a penalty or interest from the sole distributor. Okay, this is very important thing. Although we look at this thing or this matter is very simple, but uh, in the long run of the company, so cash flow is very important, yeah, to make sure the company can survive for uh, 2 or 3 years or 5 years later. So who should bother about this? So payment schedule is prepared by the project manager, uh, and this is based on the milestone or project schedule that we develop uh, before we start the project. So the project, that's why during the software development plans, during the plan stage, so we have to make sure that all the deliverable, all the phases is agreed by the customer, so that they can agree, so they can agree with the deliverable and the payment that we uh, bill to them later. So how to develop payment schedule? So first step, that you will need to refer to your project schedule and milestone. Refer to your chapter 1 or chapter 2. I think in that chapter you already design your project schedule and also the milestone. So that is very informative a document for you to refer and use them to be a document, to be a tools, yeah, to create your payment schedule. Okay, and step 2, you need to estimate how much percentage to be allocated to each deliverable. Make sure that the total percentage is and up to 100%. So meaning to say that uh, so uh, every task or every activity, so you need to allocate certain percent. Yeah, for example, you have this project plan, so you need to allocate the percentage. Let's say after you develop the project plan, then the user agree with your plan, then how much you need to pay to, how much you will need to bill to the customer. Yeah, let's say this is 10%. Okay, upon complete the project plan, so you require or you bill the customer 10% out of the total cost of your project. Let's say 1 million, your total cost of the project is 1 million, so you bill 10% from the 1 million. That means 100,000 ringgit. Okay, step 3 is you need to draw a table consists of 4 column, a number, deliverable, percentage, and amount. Yeah, and then step 4, copy major deliverable and paste into deliverable column. Fill in other information such as percentage and amount for each deliverable. So step 5, total up percentage and grand total of amount. Make sure the grand total amount equal to the overall project cost. Yep. So if your payment schedule is more than the agreed overall project cost, so you need to adjust the percentage. The of course the amount that you put in the for calculate the payment schedule might be wrong, so you need to correct it. So this is example of the project deliverable scope. So this is a base how you want to uh, develop the payment schedule. Yeah. Maybe you can use all this activity to pay, but some of the activity even not involved in the payment schedule, so you need to skip it. You need to delete from the schedule, payment schedule. So, okay, I think this is time I show to you. Firstly, you need to go to your project business, your what do you call it, business proposal document. Refer to your proposal, business proposal document. Sorry, BPD. Business proposal document. So this is, I give you an example. So at the first glance of your business project, business proposal document, you always you already give the total amount of your project, right? This is example 320,000 50 ringgit. Yeah, this is high level budget. So this is your base, when you want to bill to the customer. So this is a total figure. So from that figure, so you divide according to the percentage. Okay, so I take this project schedule as a base for creating the payment schedule. Okay, I copy this, and then please open your Excel, because from the Excel is easy to calculate or to create the formula. Okay, you create one Excel, and then you copy here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so all the project schedule you copy here, and then you start to modify it. Wrap the text, manage the column. Okay, so now you copy the total project cost of the project, of your project. Yeah, so in this case, we have a high level project cost here. They put, okay, they count, they calculate uh 338,000. Copy here, copy this, and then paste here. Okay, 338,000. So this is a hard project cost. Total project cost. Okay, so don't bother about the start and end, so you can delete after this. So you change this duration to percentage. Yep, and then this become your what they call it, payment schedule. Yeah, the payment schedule. So we refer to this back. I hope you all got this flip book. Yeah, very easy to refer. Okay, this is a example 2,500,000 ringgit. So this is a base. 2,500,000 ringgit. 500,000 ringgit is a base for you to bill the customer. So we got three column only. Yeah, deliverable, percentage, and amount to bill. So this is amount to bill. Modify it. Amount to bill. Okay, in RM. Okay, so upon complete the development of project plan, so you need to modify the word use this one. All of these activity name you need to change the name. Maybe this one upon complete project plan. So you charge 7%. So this column I think you can delete. Oh, the figure also delete. Yeah. So never mind, you copy here back. Okay, so you delete the column, start and end, and become the your payment schedule. Okay, upon complete project plan, so you charge. Example, I give you example here to be fast. Yeah, copy here. Okay, so upon complete the project plan, you bill the customer 10%. So what you need to do is here how to get the amount 10% from the 328,000. So you create the formula here, control plus, yeah, control plus, select the percentage, multiply the total project cost, divide 100. So you got 3,000 3,280 ringgit. Yeah, so modify it to the comma. Okay, so this one you can delete it. Okay, so this is total, maybe total percentage. Okay, and then you try to sum. Is it enough for 100%? Yeah, 100%. So that means you already distribute the percentage to each of the activity. So now what you need to do is you just copy. Oh, so because they this one is a running number, yeah. So you need to modify it. Uh, B17, B17. So this is very easy. Okay, it will take time. What happened? B17. Okay, this is also B17. B17. Sometimes you need to do manual uh, update. So I want to show you that the last total we bill equal to 328,000. multiply 0 becomes 0. Okay, and then you count it. It should be same to this. Okay, so this is a way how you, a fast way how you want to develop your payment schedule. Go back to your project schedule, copy it into the Excel, and then distribute the percentage of bill amount for each of the activity, and then you got the figure. So let's say stage one, or first bill you collect from the customer about 22,000, and after you finish the requirement analysis, you collect 65,000, 49,000, 49,000, and etc. So at the end of the project, so you will collect uh, same value uh, as you present at the early of the project plan. Okay. Okay, what else? So you need to update your business proposal document on your payment schedule. I think under the financial chapter, yeah, you copy this one to your business proposal document. Okay, that's it. I think how to create the payment schedule. So the only thing that you need to modify is this one, yeah. Okay, maybe you remain the number, or you delete the number and rewrite uh, the description. This one we call it description, I think. Refer back to your, okay, this is deliverable, sorry, deliverable. So change the title, deliverable. So deliverable 1, deliverable 2, deliverable 3. So each of the deliverable got their own percentage to be billed. Okay, so this is a example. Upon uh, acceptance of business error requirement analysis. Yeah. Upon finish this one, so you bill to the customer 20% part of the total this one. Okay, that's it, I think. Okay, when you want to put in your business proposal document, so what you need to copy is only this part only. Yeah, or is only uh, this part only to be copied in the business proposal document to show the payment schedule. So this is called grand total. Okay, grand total. uh, okay, the next deliverable, you need to modify the name. Find the appropriate name, the appropriate deliverable name for you to bill to the customer. Okay, I think that's it. Or this is another chapter, chapter 10, next week. Okay, anything you can refer to this document. I think very straightforward. Yeah, like I show you just now. Yeah. Very little tips that when you want to calculate in term of the involve the calculation of the budget or everything regarding on dollar and cent, so please use the Excel. So you keep this file for your homework. Yeah, don't show everything uh, to your customer how you come out with the detailed budget. Just give the summary or give the high level budget, and show to them when they ask to show the detail. So then after that you can show to them during the presentation. Yeah, don't attach in the business proposal document. So your secret will be disclosed. Yeah, and then the document can be used by other parties. Okay, class. Thank you very much. I think that's it. See you later.